Hey, what's up, everybody? I know I haven't been putting out content really the way that I said that I was going to, and I apologize for that. I have been in Miami a lot more than I was expecting to be, which is a good thing. I get to teach, I get to do everything that I want to do, but it does kind of set me back a little bit here when I don't have my big computer and everything where I can do this stuff. It's a gigantic mess behind me, so I apologize. I'm still kind of in the process of trying to build out the little office here. I did want to kind of give a little update on what's going on and things to kind of expect. And I also have something that's kind of cool that I want to open up and show you guys. So the first thing, I will just talk about a quick update. I reached out to a flight school here in Pennsylvania, and I'm hoping that I'm going to start flying again very soon. I still have a couple things I got to figure out with my medical, how that's going to work, and the cost of all that stuff. But hopefully, once all that's clear, then we'll be good. I'll start flying. I still am working on that private pilot, so we'll see how long that takes me. So that's update number one. So I'll start posting stuff when I start flying. I'll start posting stuff on here and kind of showing the progression of all that stuff and how it's going. The second thing, tomorrow is another Weather Wednesday, so that's going to be the fourth one in the series. If you haven't seen them, check them out. There's some really good information in there from like the beginning level up through probably the ATP level. I don't know, maybe you'll learn something. Mike Gronke, my buddy that I used to work with at a previous company, he's helping me out with that. He's a meteorology guy, and we're pretty happy to do that kind of series for everybody. And then let's see, there was something else. Weather Wednesday. The app has kind of taken a backseat as well. My laptop, unfortunately, I broke it on the way home from Miami this last time, so I got to get it fixed before I can really start hammering out some of that stuff. But it's slow rolling. I'm hoping to have it something workable by next year, the first quarter of next year, but we'll see. Hopefully that's my goal anyways. We'll see. Okay, so I may have bought something knowing that I was going to be doing all the construction in here and knowing I'm going to put a wall up and whatever. I always see these cool things on people's videos, and I finally found a company that did them, and I wanted to order one. You'll see what it is in just a sec. So I got this huge box from NeonWill. If you've never heard of them, I had never heard of them. I saw it come across on like a Facebook ad or something like that. Really easy to work with, really easy to deal with, but you can guess by it being called NeonWill that they do neon signs. So what I did was I sent them a picture of my logo and asked them if they could do a sign for me. So that's what this is. I haven't opened it up yet, haven't seen what it looks like or what it does, but that's what we're going to do right now. Unfortunately, I don't have my knife on me, but I do have keys, and everybody knows that keys will work just as well in a pinch. I also don't want to put too sharp of objects on this thing. I'd already kind of started to open it, and then I was like, I'll go ahead and make a video of me opening it so you guys can see me struggle through this. Again, this is just another thing to kind of add to the project list, but once, the wall and everything gets built behind me, this will kind of be lined up there behind me, and you'll get to see it. All right. I'm so excited. This is so cool. All right, so let's see what it looks like. Maybe. Seriously? The last thing I want to do is break this thing before I even get it open. So let's miss the section. Okay. So, like I said, this is a relatively large box. I think this thing is like, I think it's like 2 feet. It's like 20 some inches tall, which is kind of cool. Oh, this is neat. I can't believe I just used the word neat. If you know me, I don't use the word neat. Give me a little thank you card, which is cool. And they wrapped it in a ton of tape and bubble wrap. So this is very not well thought out, so I apologize for that. I hope you're enjoying me struggle, because this is not fun on this side. Let me go ahead and put this big box down, so I'm not trying to hold up two things. Now, all I did was send them a rough picture of what my logo looked like. It was kind of just a quick thing I threw together, and then told them the colors that I wanted. My favorite color is green, and I thought green and white would go pretty cool with this. Almost. One more thing. One thing. Alright, now that we've got all the protective stuff away. How cool is that? Alright, now, how's this thing powered? Oh, come on. Alright. So, apparently I've got to hook something up to it. So, I was hoping that it would be a little easier than this, but that's okay. You guys don't mind, do you? No? You're just sitting there staring at my pretty face, I know. Alright. Let's get this thing plugged in and see what it looks like. Oh man. There, see that glow? Oh, that is awesome. It will be a lot easier to see when it's not so close. When it's a little bit farther. Well, maybe not. I don't know. We'll have to figure out how that goes. But how cool is that? Man, that is awesome. Alright. And that it kind of solidifies stuff for me. That's really cool. That's so cool. Alright. So again, I got that from NeonWill. I thought you guys would enjoy seeing me struggle to open that, but I struggled a little bit more than I'd like to admit, to be completely honest. Yeah, damn. Alright, that is cool. So again, the company's called NeonWill. If you need anything for I don't know, the YouTube channel or any kind of logo for a business or anything like that, they're not paying me. They just literally just sent this to me, and I opened it up in front of you guys. But it's NeonWill.com is where I got it, so it's pretty cool. I'll have to mess with it. It looks like it's got some brightness settings and stuff that I can adjust to where maybe it'll be easier to be seen on camera. But all right, so quick roundup. Saw the cool sign that I just got for when the wall goes up behind me. I'm going to start flying, so you guys will get to kind of see that progression. You get to see that. Remember, tomorrow's another Weather Wednesday. Me and Mike Gronke talk about, tomorrow is high pressure and low pressure systems, how they're a little bit different and how you might experience weather in one versus the other. It's a good series. I'm going to put a little card up here for you to be able to see it. Again, shameless plug every time. Like, subscribe, comment if you like what we're doing here or what I'm doing here. Yeah, man, I really appreciate you guys being here, and see you on the next one.